went up. That's the signs of when you as an investor can say, hey, what's going on? I'm going to start looking into this a little bit. That guy honked just to get in the video. Did you see that? Can't believe it. Hey everyone, for this week's Rockstar Minute, I want to talk about big white signs and what they mean to us as real estate investors. This one went up, this is right outside our offices. This one went up a couple years ago, and you can see that they're looking to rezone for 552 residential units. So they're looking to build condos here. So right away we start thinking like, hey, what does that mean for the area? What else is going on? If you look over here, I'm going out onto the street. If you look over here, you see the big parking garage that Go Transit built? That isn't a short-term thing. That's a new parking garage that they were building at the same time they put this thing up. And that's like a long-term, that's gonna fit a lot of people. This whole area, so what that triggered to us, we're like, hey, what's going on in this area? Let's dive deeper into it. So what we started looking into is this area, the town of Oakville, has expropriated some land closer to Trafalgar Road. And they're going to be redeveloping this entire area. It's gonna be called like Midtown Oakville or something like that. I forget the exact term. But so these big white signs, that's what triggers us to start looking into things. As a real estate investor, this is the start of something. You want to make sure things get approved and that the construction is actually going to start, the investment is actually going to happen, right? But so you don't want to be on the bleeding edge, you want to be on the leading edge, right? But then you can start looking at things, looking for opportunities, because if you invest in property early on before this stuff happens, this is the type of investment, the new infrastructure, the new population base, everything going on in this area that's going to lift up your property with it. So that's the type of stuff that we look for. What outside factors are going to have an impact on your properties? That's why we're continuing to buy some properties and not too far away from here, because of all the stuff we know that's going to happen here. And we think long term, it's just going to lift all boats up with it. And it's just something we want to share with you today. And don't forget, until next time, your life, your terms.